Bonhill Geography. Today we'll be looking at deforestation and the water cycle and the carbon cycle within the Amazon rainforest. Trees in the Amazon play a crucial role in the water cycle through the process of evapotranspiration, where water is absorbed by roots and released into the atmosphere. Deforestation reduces the number of trees, leading to lower levels of evapotranspiration and consequently less moisture in the atmosphere. The Amazon helps to regulate regional and global weather patterns. With fewer trees, there's less moisture released into the air, which can also lead to decreased rainfall. This can cause regional droughts affecting agriculture and water supplies. We call this process savannization. Evidence of this process can be seen in the Amazon with Tanguro Ranch. Due to less condensation nuclei being released, less evapotranspiration and storage of water, rainfall levels have decreased from 2,000mm to 800mm in an area of rainforest cleared for cattle ranching, just like in the image you see behind. Without tree roots to anchor the soil, heavy rainfall can also wash away the topsoil, leading to increased runoff and sedimentation in rivers. This not only degrades the soil quality, but also affects water quality in streams and rivers. It can even lead to decreased space within the river itself, as the sediment will take space up in the channel. Lastly, the Amazon's dense forest cover helps to maintain the balance of the hydrological cycle. Deforestation disrupts this balance, leading to changes in river flow and water availability, which can impact both local ecosystems and human populations. Let's now look at deforestation and the carbon cycle. The Amazon rainforest acts as a major carbon sink, storing approximately 123 billion tons of carbon. Deforestation results in the release of this stored carbon into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This contributes to global warming and climate change. As we know, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. This helps to mitigate climate change. With fewer trees due to deforestation, the Amazon's capacity to sequester carbon is significantly reduced, leading to higher atmospheric carbon levels. Activities associated with deforestation, such as burning trees and clearing land, release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. This exacerbates the greenhouse effect, leading to increased global temperatures. The loss of biodiversity due to deforestation also affects the carbon cycle. Diverse ecosystems are more resilient and efficient at sequestering carbon. The decline in biodiversity reduces the overall effectiveness of the Amazon in regulating the carbon cycle, moving us further from dynamic equilibrium. Here's some additional points on links between carbon and water cycles in the rainforest. The dense canopy of the Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the microclimate. It helps maintain humidity levels by trapping moisture and reducing temperature fluctuations. This stable microclimate supports continuous plant growth, which in turn enhances carbon sequestration through photosynthesis. A nice and easy link. Healthy forest soils are also rich in organic matter, particularly in that first fertile layer, which stores significant amounts of carbon, even though this is rapidly took up by plants' roots. This organic matter also improves the soil structure and also enhancing its ability to retain water. We call this the soil moisture budget. The interplay between soil carbon storage and water retention supports robust plant growth, further contributing to both carbon and water cycles. The health of rainforest plants and soils is interdependent. Plants rely on nutrient-rich soils for growth, while decomposing plant material enriches the soil with organic carbon. This cycle ensures that both water and carbon are efficiently cycled through the ecosystem, maintaining its overall health and productivity. Lastly, trees also release volatile organic carbon, compounds that contribute to cloud formation. We call these condensation nuclei. These clouds play a role in reflecting sunlight and regulating temperature. Deforestation reduces the release of these compounds, leading to fewer clouds, higher temperatures and altered precipitation patterns. As we can imagine, this impacts both the water cycle and the ability of the forest to sequester carbon effectively due to low levels of rainfall. Now, all of these could be potential 4 or 6 mark questions using a figure. There's potential for a 20 mark question on discussing the relationships between water and carbon cycles in the rainforest as well. hence why I've gone over those 4 points. There's a model answer for this over the next 2 slides. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Bonhill Geography. See you next time.